Most sales reps do not need 100 AI prompts. What you need is a small set of prompts you actually use every week. Because sales has repeatable moments: research, cold emails, follow-up, objections, call prep, CRM notes, and practice. Prompt number 1 is the prospect research prompt. Ask, act like a B2B sales research assistant. Summarize this prospect's role, likely priorities, possible pain points, and 3 business-relevant outreach angles. Prompt number 2 is the cold email prompt. Ask it to write a cold email under 100 words with a specific first line, a likely business problem, no hype, and a simple question. Prompt number 3 is the follow-up ladder prompt. Ask AI to create a 5-step follow-up sequence: recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. Prompt number 4 is the objection breakdown prompt. Ask AI to break the objection into the real concern, the emotional reason behind it, and 3 calm responses. Prompt number 5 is the call prep prompt. Ask AI to create a discovery call plan with likely context, 5 questions, 3 risks, and a strong opening agenda. Prompt number 6 is the CRM notes prompt. Ask AI to turn messy call notes into a clean CRM update with summary, pain points, objections, timeline, stakeholders, and follow-up tasks. Prompt number 7 is the role-play prompt. Ask AI to act like a skeptical buyer and push back on price, timing, competitors, implementation, and priority. The point is not to collect prompts. The point is to build an AI sales playbook. Create 1 section for research, 1 for outbound, 1 for follow-up, 1 for objections, 1 for call prep, 1 for CRM, and 1 for practice. If you want all 7 prompts, plus more for cold email, research, follow-up, objections, and CRM notes, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.